Hi everyone, Cook with Janie popping up now, just to show you that I've just made mussels in cream and white wine sauce. They are fabulous. They get steamed in the baroma. The recipe is on cookie dough, and I'm just about to pour the cream and white wine sauce over top. Absolutely yum. I wish you could smell this. It is incredible and will be totally delicious for outside in the sort of slightly cool afternoon today. And wow, what a fabulous lunch this is. Here goes the parsley on top, and then I'll sprinkle on some pepper, and we will have a feast. I hope that you try this recipe. It's on cookie dough, and it's also in the book called Great Taste on Every Level. Or if you're in Australia, that book is called Fabulous Flavour on Every Level. Bye everyone.